Welcome to the Ghost Engineer channel. If you're looking for exclusive Android mobile, specifically tech, tricks, hacks, hidden features, shortcuts, video editing and more, or primal mechatronics engineering overview and tips, especially for beginner, concerning different cool projects, Arduino control, KUKA robot and more, or cool calisthenics, tricks, workouts, exercises, and tutorials especially for beginners. So, you are in the right place. Hi there, my real name is Ammar Muhammad Nabil. I'm a mechatronics engineer student who took different freelancing courses and is here to please you with different entertainment, physical, and learning content, as the perfect mind is in the healthy body. Hoping that you enjoy the variety of topics of our channel. In order to not miss our content updates, smash the subscribe button and the notifications icon and follow me on different platforms concerning Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Kwai and LinkedIn, where the links for all that platforms are given in the description below. And ciao!